Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. And this Sudoku will be number 1, 3, 7, 6. 6, yes. And the question is how many printed digits or numbers are in this Sudoku. Let me count. 1, 2, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is equal to 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is equal to 19, plus 2 is 21. 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then in the last column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, also no 7 there. So the last box is reserved for the 7. And then I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see which number I will pick. How about the number in this third column, the number 4. We see here 4 in this big square. No, that means no 4 in these 2 boxes, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then in the third column, 3 missing numbers now. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. I see here the 1 and the 2. So no 1 and the 2 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 8. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. Here 5. No 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. We go to another big square, the middle big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. And the only two places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 3 in this row? The 3 in the middle row, so the row are both. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. We see here the 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 4. Then in this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 there. Here 4. No 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. Then we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. In that column, we have a 3 over there. So the middle column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7. No 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. And then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then we see here 1 in this column, a 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the one should be here or there. We see here one, no one there. One should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Then how about these two numbers in the second column? These two numbers should be the numbers 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 8. One number left in this big square for the number 9. Then how about here these two numbers in the last column? The 2 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 9, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 2. And then how about 3 and 9? These two numbers. These two numbers in this column. The missing numbers here are the 2. No, not the 2. The 9 is missing. And the 3 is missing. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. And I remember these dots are reserved for the 3. Now we have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. One number left in this row for the number 5 is missing. Yeah. How about the 9? These two numbers in this column. The 9 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 6 now, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes. And they are finished in 40 minutes. Alright. This Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku, is faster than the previous one, the 1-star Sudoku. So you cannot tell the 1-star is easier than the 2 stars. No. It depends. It depends. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. You can also download this PDF file if you want to solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon in a minute with the 3rd Sudoku. In this additional, it will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you soon. Bye bye.